Hello, I am S.K. Tiwari, Department of BCA, Jalan College, Chakradharpur. Today in my lecture notes, we are discussing about the multiprocessor of an operating system, which comes under BCA semester 3rd. So now let us understand what is a multiprocessor. As the name indicates, multi means too many and processing means more than one processor on a single system. A system which having more than one processor is known as a multiprocessor operating system. Like dual core has 2 processors, octa core has 8 processors. In multiprocessor operating system, they can share clock speed, memory, input-output buses, peripheral devices, etc. In multiprocessing operating system, more than one processor can run on different CPUs at the same time. So there is a real parallel execution of a process in a multiprocessor system. In this operating system, it consumes high computing power and increase the execution speed of a machine, so that machine will speed faster. It is also called parallel operating system because in this system single job is divided into many small jobs and execute them like a parallel. This type of systems are used when required a large amount of volume of data. Just you see the diagram, here so many processors are there on a single machine. They can share the resources like buses, memories, input-output devices and all these. Now, types of multiprocessor. There are 2 types of multiprocessor: symmetric multiprocessor and asymmetric multiprocessor. Symmetric multiprocessors are that which contains a similar copy of the operating system and they all communicate with each other. Whereas asymmetric multiprocessors are there which having a predefined task, and there is also a master-slave relation in the asymmetric multiprocessor. Now, what are the advantages of a multi-processing system? First, increased throughput, great reliability and cost saving. Now, what are the disadvantages? Expenses increased, required large main memory, and third, more complex in both hardware and software system. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.